Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install PhotoRoom for dropship product image cleanup. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type PhotoRoom and hit enter. Locate the official PhotoRoom website in the search results. Click on the link to the official site. Once the site opens, look for the option to download the app. Choose the appropriate version for your device, either iOS, Android, or desktop. If you are using a mobile device, you may be redirected to the App Store or Google Play Store. Follow the prompts to install the application on your device. If you are using a desktop, the download should start automatically. Once the download is complete, locate the installation file in your Downloads folder. Double-click on the installation file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After installation, open the PhotoRoom app. You may be prompted to create an account or log in. If you don't have an account, follow the prompts to sign up. Once logged in, you can start the process of cleaning up product images. Click on the option to upload an image. Select the product image you wish to edit from your device. Once uploaded, PhotoRoom will automatically remove the background. You can view the changes in real time. If necessary, use the editing tools to make further adjustments. Once satisfied with the image, click on the Download button. Choose your preferred image format and resolution. Save the image to your device. Your product image is now ready for dropshipping. Repeat this process for any additional images you want to clean up. That's all there is to it. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.